Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, you should just open whatever screen you want to capture, could be home screen for me, and then you tap a combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and a screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, we press volume down, key, power button, and we got these screenshots. You can find them in photos, in the special screenshot section. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, search with lens, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.